morning guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Roads and Mel Vlog. Please subscribe, pindutin like and share, then pindutin ang bell, notification bell so that you are always updated. Father, you are King. Yes, another big fish we catch, guys. 11 kilo and 300 grams. So, thank you. Thank you, love. Thank you. Thank you so much.
11 kilo. 300 gram.
Kaya napakalaki. Then, kiss. At ibabalik ka sa tubig. Okay. Thank you.